Hello everyone. In previous class, we have studied about the drivers of the international business decisions. In today's class, we are going to study about the reasons for a firm to go abroad or why businessmen or any companies want to expand their business for the international market. Okay. Successful small business are figuring out how to master the transitions from being a local company to global company. So any small business or any domestic company wants to become a global company or international company. According to the US Department of the Commerce, more than 70% of the world's purchasing power is located outside the United States. So there is a potential market and the companies wants to capitalize the potential growth because of this diversification. So let's see the reasons why the companies or the corporates or the businessmen wants to go to the international level, or why these corporates wants to expand their business for the international market to increase the sales and profitability. So as you know, if the business is expanded for the international level, sales will increase and profit will increase. Going global can provide new sources of the revenue, yield or greater return on the investment and secure the long-term success for a business. Okay. So if your business is expanded for the international level, you can achieve the business objectives very easily. It is profit maximization and wealth maximization. And if you are in an international business, then you can earn a long-term success too. Okay. The internet makes it even easier to reach out to the world for a business. So because of the internet nowadays, we can reach the world very easily. Enter a new market. So the companies want the access for the new market. They want to increase their market share. That's why they want to go for the international market. Have you saturated your local core market? Then look beyond the region and consider a market overseas. So if you cover your regional market enough, then as a businessman you can focus on the international market too. Beyond your region you can focus and you can expand your business for the overseas market. To create the jobs, so every company wants to expand their business so that they can increase the human resources. It will decrease the unemployment and it will increase the employment. The job is created because of the expanded businesses. So when you are expanding the business, then definitely you need a human resources. Obviously the managers, hierarchies and the subordinates and managing these human resources, there is a need of some group. So the jobs are created. Offset the slow growth in your home. So the growth rate of every country may not be the same. India is had the growth rate of 9% in the year 2018, and nowadays because of the COVID it is decreased. Now the major country which is having a positive growth rate is China. If you want to overcome from the problem of slow growth rate in the home country, then as a businessman you should expand your business for the international level. A way to overcome a low growth rate in your home market is look at a overseas market. Protect your company by exporting using the internet, licensing or franchising your products. Okay. So this licensing, franchising and some other strategies we are going to study in the coming classes. That comes under the strategies to go abroad or the strategies to enter into the international market. Outmaneuver the competitors. So to manage your competitors, to give the good competition to your competitors, you have to expand your business to that region where your competitors are not yet reached. Taking one step to enter a new overseas market that your competitor has not yet entered can outmaneuver than the competitor. Okay, you can have the more benefits than your competitors if you entered the market where your competitor is not at reach. Rival with stronger companies results into the better performance. So when you are expanding your business, then obviously you have to face the competition, and this competition with strong companies will result in a better performance. Always a company wants to be a best, right? So if you are competing with the stronger companies and all, obviously you can put your 100% effort and you can give your best as a businessman. Enlarge the customer base or the target market or the customers group should be increasing always, so that the sales of the company can be increased and the optimum profit can be achieved. Correct? So to increase the customers base, the companies wants to go to the international market. Create economies of scale in the production. So every countries may not reach to the economies of scale just in the home market. So let's say Mahindra and Mahindra's economies of scale is 1000 jeeps per day. Okay, let us assume. So Mahindra and Mahindra is providing a lot of vehicles. Let us assume 1000 jeeps per day. Okay, and in the domestic market there is no much demand, and that's why they are also focusing for the international market. Okay, so this is what to achieve the economies of the scale. So what is economies of scale? So it is the point where your average cost is least. Correct? So if you are produced in that particular point or in that particular quantity, then you can earn more and more profit. Explore untapped markets with the power of the internet. So untapped market means the market which is not yet reached by any of the companies, okay, especially by the competitors. To reach those markets with the help of the internet and all, the companies will go for the international level and make use of the excess capacity of off seasons. In the off season, the human resource may not have a proper workload. Correct? So in case of this off season, if you are operating in an international business or in an international level, then you can get the raw materials from that particular countries too. Okay, even in the off season you can work. So the excess capacity what is there in the off seasons, you can utilize it properly. This is what the reasons for going for the abroad. This is a general concept, in fact, which is very important for the 10 marks, and you can write your own viewpoint also.